Let me ask y'all a question. My lovely husband said something to me today about his fart.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, I said fart. Don't agree with it. He said that he thought his gas bubble was gonna be a burp, and when he pushed it out, it ended up being a fart. Stop it right now. You know when you are about to go and fart that it's gonna be a fart. You know when you're gonna burp, it's gonna be a burp. That gas does not go down, up. Someone tell me right now.